A 7-member panel investigating allegations of gross misconduct against Governor Tanko Al-makura has dismissed those charges leveled against the governor. The panel dismissed the charges after concluding its work and listening to the counsel to the Assembly this morning. The State Assembly had yesterday declared the inauguration of the panel by the State Chief Judge Suleiman Diko as unconstitutional, saying it will stay away from the probe.
On the 16th of July, hundreds of youths hit major streets of Lafia, the Nasarawa State capital, in a peaceful protest against the plot by a majority of the Nasarawa State House of Assembly to impeach the state governor, Tanko Al-makura. At least 2 people were killed and several injured as security personnel moved to stop the protest. Two days earlier, the State House of Assembly had directed its clerk to serve Governor Al-makura the notice of impeachment, citing gross misconduct and financial misappropriation. The notice was signed by 20 out of 24 lawmakers.
Allegations are raised against the governor. Are they correct? Yes. The next thing for him to do is to go to where the panel will sit and answer the questions. Defend himself.
The governor later appeared before a 7-man probe panel inaugurated by the state chief judge to investigate the 16 counts charges leveled against him. After 7 days of investigation, the panel dismissed all charges against the governor.
We agree fully with the counsel to the governor, Chief Udechukwu Senior Advocate, that the Nasarawa State House of Assembly, having failed to leave any evidence to prove any of the 16 allegations contained in the notice of impeachment, the panel has no option than to dismiss the allegations.
The governor, who is obviously happy, sees this as vindication.
As far as I'm concerned, this is a victory for democracy. This is a victory for the rule of law. And I'm ever ready to appear before any court of competent jurisdiction to defend myself at any point in time.
These did not, however, go down well with the lawmakers. And just before the panel's findings were made public, they kicked against it on the grounds that it was made up of loyalists to the governor.
The powers given to the Chief Judge of Nasarawa State is not absolute. They are subject to certain conditions. 3 groups of persons must never be members of that panel.
The spate of impeachment threats against state governors around the country continues to generate divided opinions among political observers and the electorate, chief of which is whether the rationale is moral or not.